Let's make oven-baked celeriac chips today. You can serve the chips as a side dish, or on their own. You will need 1 celeriac root, caraway seeds, lard or frying oil, and salt. Wash the celeriac. Peel the skin off, using a sharp knife. If you have never cooked with celeriac before, you should know that this vegetable is the root of celery plant, and has very distinctive, earthy flavor. Cut the celeriac in half. Slice the celeriac. The slices should be about 1 centimeter thick. Then, cut each slice into chips. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Place a baking tray inside the oven to warm it up. Put 2 tablespoons of lard into the warm tray and let the fat melt. You could use frying oil instead. Add 2 teaspoons of caraway seeds. Add the celeriac chips. Cover the celeriac chips in melted lard and caraway seeds. Roast for about 45 minutes. Turn the chips every 15 minutes to roast them evenly. Once the chips are nicely roasted, transfer them to a plate. Sprinkle with salt and serve as a side dish, or as a snack, with a dip.